So I'm using 4 phrases. I'm using fret number 12, 8, 10 on the second. So 12, 8 on the first, 10 on the second. I'm using down, up, down. That is the hitting. So down, up, down. 4 times the one phrase. Second phrase, it is like I use the B minor thing. So first one is the A minor. Second one is the B minor arpeggio. 14, 10, 12 on the second. So 14, 10 on the first, 12 on the second. Third one is it's a G major. So D, B, G are the notes I'm using. So on the first string, 10, 7 on the second, I'm using the 8th fret. And then I just went to 17th fret. 17, 14, 15 on the second. It's a D major arpeggio. So how it sounds like? So every phrase I think you can play it for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then same thing for the next phrase. 5 times. The third phrase and the fourth phrase. Alright, you can practice it.